Hi students. Suppose I have a determinant. Okay, I have a determinant A11, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the difference between minor of element and cofactor of an element. Okay. So today I am going to explain the difference between these two. Okay. The difference between these two elements. Before going into that, we have to know the signs of each and every element inside the determinant. So what is the formula for that? I am telling now. Okay. So the sign for the element is, you have to know this clearly. Okay. The sign of an element inside the determinant is given by Aij will be equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j. Understood? I and j are rows and columns. Understood? Here we are having 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. This is the determinant of third order. Understood, students? Okay. Now, let us know the difference between minor and cofactor of an element by taking an example. Understood, students? Okay. So, I am going to tell the places also here. This is the first one is A1, A2, A3. No, these are columns, and A1, B1, C1 are rows. Okay. This is the first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Understood? These are IJs. Okay. And this is A3 means third row, first column, third row, second column, and third row, third column. Did you understand this? So let us check the what is the sign for A11. See, minus 1 whole power I plus j means 1 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 whole power 2. So negative sign with its power even number gives a positive sign, right? Plus 1. Understood? So the A1 place is positive. Understood? So let us check another one. Let us check any of this. So I am taking C23. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. How much, students? So minus 1 to the power 5. So negative integer to the power odd number means it gives a negative sign. So C23 value is negative. Okay. Its place is negative here. Okay. The sign of this element is negative here. Okay. Let us take another one, students. So B32. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2. That is equal to, here also again the power is odd, means negative. So the sign for this element will be negative. Did you understand, students? Let us take one more example here. Okay. B22. Let us take B22. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. How much, students? Minus 1 to the power 4. Okay. So negative integer to the power even number gives a positive result. So the element, the sign of this element B22 will be positive. Understood? Okay. So these all things you have to know first before going to do sums according to minor and cofactor. So according to this data, I am going to explain about the cofactors and minors. Okay. First, let us see the minor of an element. Okay, the minor of an element. Let us take one example now. So I am having a determinant A that is equal to, okay, 1 minus 1, 3, 0, 4, 2, 11, 5 minus 3. Okay, now we have to find minor of minus 1. So where is minus 1 here? Here it is. Okay. So minus 1 is here. So what is its? So the minor of minus 1. Let us calculate this. So for minor, no need to consider the sign for each and every element. Okay. Just what we have to do, we have to take the determinant avoiding the row and column of this minus 1. So avoid this row and column. What is the remaining determinant? We'll have 0, 2, 11 and minus 3. Now we have to solve this. So how to solve this? Just do cross multiplication. 0 into minus 3 minus of 2 into 11, isn't it? So what is its value? 0 minus 22. So minor of element minus 1 is minus 22. Okay. Let us take another one, students. Okay. So another example. So we are going to find minor of 0. So where is the element 0? What we have to do? Wherever 0 is there, avoid that row and column and take out the determinant, 2 by 2 determinant. So avoid this row and column. Okay, if you avoid this, we will have minus 1, 3, 5, minus 3. Understood? Now solve this. Minus 1 into minus 3 minus of 3 into 5. Okay. So this is positive 3 minus 15, that is equal to minus 12. Did you understand, students? Let us go for another one. So minor of, let us take minus 3. Okay. So where is the element? Minus 3, this is here. So what we have to do here? Avoid this row and column and take the 2 by 2 second order determinant. What is the second order determinant for this? That is 1 minus 1, 0, 4. Understood? Now calculate its value. 1 into 4 minus of minus 1 into 0. This gives 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. Did you understand, students? No need to consider the sign of an element to find the minor. Okay. So next, to find the minor of an element. Did you understand, students? Just avoid whatever element they are asking, avoid its row and column. Take the remaining 2 by 2 determinant and solve. Find its value. Okay. Next. Now let us find cofactor. Okay. So again I am taking the same determinant. Let us take A is equal to, what is the 3 by 3 matrix we are having here? 1 minus 1, 3, 0, 4, 2, 11, 5 minus 3. Okay. Now our topic is about cofactors, right? So now cofactor of 2 we have to find. Cofactor of 2 we have to find. Okay. So now for cofactors we have to consider the signs of each and every element. This is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Understood? So where is 2? So 2 is here and its sign is negative. So we have to consider the sign for cofactors to find the cofactor of an element. Okay. So we have to take the sign and avoid the rows and columns as we have done for minor. Okay. So avoiding this, we will have 1, -1, 11 and 5. Understood? Okay. Keep negative as it is. So 1 into 5 minus 1 into 11. Just solve, students. So minus of 1 into 5, 5, minus into minus, positive. Okay. 1 into 11 is 11. Okay. So this gives minus 16. Did you understand, students? So cofactor of 0. Okay. Now cofactor of 0. How to do this? Where is 0 here? Yes, here it is. So we have to take cofactor means the sign of an element and minor. Okay. So what is the 2 by 2 determinant for avoiding rows and columns of 0? Okay. See, this is -1, 3, 5, -3. Okay. So here the element 0 is having negative sign. Take that 0. So -1 into -3 minus of 5 into 3. Understood, students? So negative 3 minus 15, that is equal to negative, minus 12, that is equal to positive 12. Did you understand, students? So if you really understand the minor and cofactors of an element, do share to all your friends, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.